4, 5.
Oh, it's doing. What's it doing now?
No.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, it's giving me 4 now.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what's it?
It was. I was getting a constant, like, a continuous heartbeat. I was counting over 10.
Oh,
It wasn't giving me a sequence before.
Okay.
But I went and got some more, some filters too, just in case.
Okay. Yeah, 4 is a limit circuit fault. Okay.
Which
So-
I don't know what that means. Could be a number of things. Right?
So is that mean so every time you need to turn off the switch and back on?
Oh, a lot. There's been a few times here, yeah.
Okay.
It's only, like, I've noticed in the cold snaps,
Yeah.
this is the worst one. So. And this is the power switch here. I also got one over here if you need to shut it off. For any reason.
Yeah. It's automatic reset already. I didn't have check the result out. So because it's automatic start.
Yeah.
So just wait.
I might have put it back in backwards, but yeah, you can pull that out. I think I put it back in backwards there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did. No, it wasn't the right way before. I got a new one anyway. It didn't look too bad, really. We did have the ducts cleaned about a year ago.
Yeah, let's run a few minutes to see. So normally how often so you change the filter? How many months?
I believe this one was probably a couple months. I believe these ones are good for up to 3 months, but I think it probably started past it.
Oh,
To be honest with you, it could have been that too. But before that, it was still we still had issues with doing that. And there was one.
Or switch.
Ooh.
Yeah, so the other guy, I think maybe there's the other technician came here and check inside, and just use the, the tape,
Yeah,
tape it on.
He had to do some stuff. The second guy that came here, because we had a gas leak the first time. Right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it was pretty gnarly. We've had it for a few years now.
Okay, so
You need to check the exhaust, but I can show you where the exhaust comes out. It comes out in the back of the house here on the side. I'll take my time. You're bored, you know? I'm in the wrong position. You got enough room there?
oh, it's the same.
Same issue?
Yeah.
Were you guys in the neighborhood?
Just a cold stream.
Cold stream, okay.
Yeah, so we just came from there. There's one customer.
Same kind of unit?
It's same unit, same problem.
I wonder if it was the same guy who installed it. Well, the guy that installed it there, it was pretty bad, eh?
Okay.
And we got him back. The guy fixed a bunch of stuff, but
Do you want to see?
I don't know what am I looking at?
I can show you.
Yeah, show me the video there. What were you looking at there? Nothing wrong with the thermocoupler, eh?
I don't think so. Yeah.
Okay.
So it's lucky. So it's tell there's an alarm. Is tell the something there. So I think it should be the same trouble, because if you just reset something inside, maybe different problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Things to look for. So every month I'll change them. Then that's gonna happen now. Okay. We got 4 months here. So we'll get some more.
Oh, 4 months is too long.
No. I got 4 months worth here.
Oh,
I got four filters, so I got about 4 months.
You
Yeah, I won't do that. We won't be doing that.
You see, if you didn't change the filter every month, so will cause the trouble
No,
for the
never
coil.
change 3 months.
This is a secondary heat changer for the high efficiency furnace. So don't forget change filter every month. That's really very important for the furnace. I don't think you want to get the trouble from the furnace. There's no heat in the coldest day in the winter. Maybe more trouble because the dust or dirt and cause the blower motor, the motor or control board that cause the trouble. Especially you have the pet or pets in the house. So you should remember to change the filter every month.
Yeah, it's more heat than before. And you will feel the, the air flow is better than before.
Yeah. And like I said, we did get the ducts cleaned about a year ago.
Yeah, you need a duct cleaning.
Yeah, we're gonna done another year and a half. But yeah, no, we gave everything a good clean, but that's good to know about the filters. Obviously, dark cat is heavy there. I won't do that again.
Okay, you see?
Holy heck.
I will
It's like
put
dryer lint.
uh,
Oh,
You got some on your hair there.
I will put back on the.
it's after.
Yeah, that's good. That's good to know. No, I had no idea about that. I know they're important, but
Yeah.
these are very important,
Most
obviously.
technician will not explain to the customer what's
No,
wrong.
no, no. We just go in and
Yeah.
sometimes I'm not
So
going in the way.
we always. You see? Oh.
I take it you guys are pretty busy.
Yeah, recently
Right-
it's a
right-
little busy.
Right now, especially the cold snap, people are going to be calling you.
Yeah.
Take a picture for here.
Wow.
I think, yeah, that's it.
You see?
Wow. That's all it takes, eh? It's big
Yeah.
thick stuff. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
This,
You will feel better.
oh yeah, look at it go.
Yeah.
I got a filter here to put in too. No, that's good to know. I like to know these things so I can stay on top of it, right?
Yeah, so we tell the customer, so like, how do you know you need to change the filter? Just compare. So if the color is changed, filter.
Yeah.